As an administrator or a member with given permissions, you can create an online event and event form to advertise an event your organization is hosting. Log on to your GrizzOrgs and select the organization you'd like to make an event form, then select the event on the left sidebar. On your main events page, you can see all upcoming events, past events, and create a new event. To create a new event, select the green button on this page. First, you must give your event a name, pick a category, and give a description about your event. Select if it is at a one-time or a reoccurring event. Give a date, time, and location of your event, and include a photo that will relate. Under Step 2, you will have the option to share with the community calendar. Make sure that the event is available to the public before doing this. By selecting to have your event public and shared in the community calendar, the event will be available to all students and visitors to see on the OU calendar. On the oakland.edu main page, scroll to the bottom and select See All Events. Once approved, your event will be shown on this campus calendar for the public to see. Back on the GrizzOrgs homepage, you will be able to see your event on the right event bar when your event comes closer, and by viewing the All Events on the GrizzOrgs community calendar. If your event is not open to the public, you can select to make it private for just your organization or a group within your organization. Under Step 3, you can choose to limit the number of people allowed to RSVP to the event or require an event registration form. You may also create your own event registration form. Go to the main event page and then select the tab that says Forms, and create a new form by selecting the green button in the top right corner. Start by naming your form and giving a description. By creating a form, you can add custom questions to obtain information from attendees attending your event. Start your form by creating a page. You can create pages to organize your form or just put everything onto one page. To continue building your form, select Add Question to choose a question type or add a text block to add any text of needed explanation for your form. To obtain basic information, select additional elements in your element builder and select Contact Information. You may also choose to require an answer so that the attendee must fill out the information to continue. There are many different forms of questions that can be found under Element Builder. You can ask multiple choice questions and allow only one answer to be chosen, or make it so that the attendee must select more than one option. You can also add questions that show up as a text block to allow long or short answer questions. When finished building your form, you can select to view any submitted entries and see the results. You may also export all the results to an Excel document to save onto your computer. It will help if you create your form before you create your event. That way, in Step 3, you can select your form from the drop-down menu. The last option is under Step 4, where you may choose to create a form and require a post-assessment. On our GrizzOrgs main event page, you can choose to export any of the information from an event, such as an attendance list. Select Export from the top right corner. You will then receive an email once the export has finished. Back in your GrizzOrgs inbox, you can select the Exports tab and then select Download. The file will download and open in an Excel document on your computer.